Hey guys, this is Taylor with KC HiLiTES, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install our A-pillar brackets onto your 2018 to current Jeep Wrangler JL. These brackets are super easy to install. They're 100% bolt-on, so it's a very quick process. On top of our A-pillar brackets, we're going to be installing our Gravity LED Pro 6 lights in the driving beam pattern. These Gravity LED Pro 6 lights are unique because they use the GRD, or the Gravity Reflective Diode technology. This technology is different from standard forward-facing LEDs because we take this and we aim our LEDs back at the reflector, which allows us to gain more precision and more control out of the forward-facing light. Now with that, let's go ahead and get started on the install. As you can see, the first step is to temporarily remove some of the stock hardware. Now we're going to start with the 4 black T40 Torx bits, and we're going to pull those out so we can get access to the plastic covering. And then while we're at it, we're also going to remove the T47 bolt for the windshield hinge. Once you've removed the 4 black T40 Torx bits, then you can go ahead and pop off the plastic covering so that way you can properly route the wires for your lights. As you can see, I cleanly ran the wiring harness so that I had just enough of the wiring harness where it emerges at the windshield hinge bolt. Once you have the wiring ran for your lights, you can go ahead and place the plastic cover back in position, and then reinstall the 2 lower T40 Torx bits and the 1 upper T40 Torx bits that's forwardmost. The one that's closer to the windshield will actually be replaced with the A-pillar bracket hardware. Then you can place the A-pillar bracket into position and hand tighten the windshield hinge bolt so that you can swivel the bracket up and down freely. Then place the metal spacer into position and bolt it down with the included hardware. Then you'll go ahead and place your light into position and bolt it down with the included hardware. And as you'll see, I loosened the mount for the light of this Pro 6 single light simply so that I could swivel it around, so it was easier for me to plug in the connector to the wiring harness. Once I had the light positioned and everything plugged in, then I went ahead and tightened everything down completely. Once you have the driver's side done, then you go ahead and repeat the exact same process over on the passenger side, and then you're finished. If you guys like this content from us, please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us continue to grow, and please let us know in the comments below what type of content you'd like to see from us in the future. I appreciate it, you guys, and remember to adventure further.